So structure initialization in C language. So what is a structure? A structure is a user defined data type, group of elements of different data types combined together. So we use the keyword struct to define any structure. The structure definition. So look at the structure definition. Struct followed by the name of the structure, student, with members name, role and marks. So we have three fields. We usually call them as structure members. So name is a string and ROLL and marks are integer and float. So how do we initialize a structure variable? What do you mean by initialization? If you write a simple statement, int a semicolon is a declaration statement. If you write a is equal to 10 semicolon is an assignment statement. If you write int a is equal to 10 semicolon is initialization. Int a is equal to 10 semicolon, assigning a value to a variable at the time of declaration is initialization. So we can initialize a structure using dot operator. We can use value initialized structure variable, and we can use a variant of value initialized structure variable. We'll see the first one, initializing a structure using dot operator. So we can initialize a structure variable either through dot operator or arrow operator. Arrow operator, we use it once you are working with structures and pointers combination. So consider the previous definition, and here we are declaring the structure variable, struct name of the structure followed by variable. Variable is stu1. stu1 dot name is equal to stu1 dot roll number and stu1 dot marks, and these are all assignment statements. We call them as assignment statement. We don't use the term initialization here. They are all assigned. So look at this example. At the time of declaration itself we are giving the values, and this is called initialization. Struct name of the structure followed by structure variable, name, role and marks. No confusion regarding that 79.5F. It is only 79.5. And as I told you earlier in many sessions, the double slash is C++ comments, not in C comments. So look at the second second example there. It is an invalid initialization because the order is not correct. So you are supposed to give name, role and marks, but it is 12 Pankaj and 79.5. It throws compilation error since the order of member type in structure is character array, integer and float. So we have a variant of value initialized structure variable. You can specify the member name along with the value. Look at this. Dot role is equal to 12, dot name is equal to Pankaj and dot marks is equal to 79.5. It is not 79.5F, it is only 79.5. The default initialization of any variable is not supported in C language. You manually need to initialize all the fields to either 0 or null. So we can use the concept of macros. Look at that definition. Hash define new student within braces. As it is a string, it is an empty quotations, comma 0 integer, comma 0.0. F, I am telling again, F is not required. It is only 0.0. Now struct student stu1 is equal to new student. This is the default initialization of a structure variable. using the concept of macro. So we have a program here. Look at line number 8 is a macro. The name of the macro is new student. Line number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 is your structure definition. And line number 23, you created a structure variable stu1. And look at that line number 23, struct student stu1 is equal to new student. You are assigning the macro which is defined in line number 8. So you are declaring the structure variable with default initialization. And the remaining program is same. You are just reading the student details, name, roll number and marks. Line number 27, getters is used to read the string, and 30, reading roll number when roll, 33 marks and printing the same.